Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to move a channel under a new section. So if you don't know how to create a new section, that is super easy. I'm going to just quickly show you how to do that. So to do that, click the gear in the upper left hand side and go to create new section and just give it a name and click create. And that's how I created this my team section. Now, if you have any channel that you want to create, move under that section or even to create, I'm going to show you how. So to move one, let's say I want to move this all Drew tutorial here, I can simply right click, or let's go ahead and use the IT collaboration, right? So just right click on it and then go to move and just simply choose my team. And as you can see, it moved under that section. Now what if I want to create something under that? Just simply hover over the new section name, click the three dots here, go to create and click on new channel. You can even create a new section under that section as well. So create a new channel, and here you can just give it whatever. I'm going to just choose one-on-one coaching as some basic stuff right here, and just use whatever, leave it as my team as well. I'm just going to make up something right here to create it and make it public, and just click on create, and you will see right here, let's leave it as that, and that's it. So you can see that it's now created and it's under this section that I had. So I move one and I create one. That's pretty much it, guys.